Isa sa mga hindi malilimutan at nagbigay ng magandang laban sa ating The Filipino Plus, Nonito Donaire, ay itong mayabang na boksingero na nagmula sa bansang Puerto Rico na may alias Papito na si Wilfredo Vasquez Jr. Sa face-off pa lang ay nagyabang agad itong si Wilfredo Vasquez Jr. na tila ba gusto nang saktan si Nonito Donaire at nagbanta pa ito na patutulugin daw niya ang ating pambato sa araw ng kanilang laban. Sa mga hindi po kasi nakakaala, itong si Wilfredo Vasquez Jr. ang nagbigay ng kauna-unahang talo sa pamamagitan ng knockout ng isa pa nating kababayang boksingero na si Marvin Sunsuna noong 2010. Kaya naman, ganun na lamang ang tingin niya sa ating pambato. Akala kasi niya ay madali lang din talunin at in-knockout ang ating pambato na si Nonito Donaire. Dahil sa pamabastos ng kalaban sa ating pambato ay gigil na gigil dito si Nonito Donaire na pabagsakin ang Puerto Rican boxer. February 2012, naganap na nga ang laban. Walang takot na dumayo ang ating pambato sa Texas sa bansang Amerika upang harapin ang mayabang na Puerto Rican boxer na si Wilfredo Vasquez Jr. Paglalabanan nila dito ang bakanting WBO Super Bantamweight title. Sa hindi pa nagsisimula ang laban, si Vasquez Jr. ay may kartada na 21 panalo, 18 panalo sa pamamagitan ng KO at may isang talo lamang, habang ang ating pambato na si The Plus, Nonito Donaire, ay may kartada na 27 panalo, 18 panalo sa pamamagitan ng KO at may isang talo lamang. Sa pagpasok ng round 1 ay kitang-kita dito ang gigil ni Nonito Donaire. Mga malalakas na suntok agad ang binatawan nito.
Vasquez is a little bit advantage in and out. None of it Vasquez. Left hook by Donaire. His best punch looks like the 13th round in the last fight.
Pagdating ng round 2 ay inasar talaga ng kalaban si Donaire. Tinawanan lang ang mga suntok niya na tila ba hindi ito nasasaktan.
You saw between rounds that he's trained by one of the most illustrious trainers in the sport. Ortiz also. Yes, Ortiz also has Victor Ortiz. Rio. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, Brandon Rios. And in fact, Donaire had a Rios. Vasquez 9 out of 32. So.
Pagdating ng round 3, dahil sa lakas ng suntok ng kalaban, ay natamaan nito ang hangin kaya bumagsak nito ang kalaban ng ating pambato.
Let's say you don't see small fighters punching with that type of power. You get hurt most by the punches you don't see coming. I think Vasquez wasn't ready. Another great body shot. Full balance from his legs. Same with it now. Alvarez to try something. Vasquez. These uppercuts are short, tight, and hard. Donaire holding the right glove open as though to parry. There, getting a little bit more resolute in this round after having been out of the first frame. Another left hook from Donaire. See, team 59. He's landed 43 power punches in the fight. Emmanuel so far only 5 for Vasquez, who hasn't really tried many. Good defense, very patient, but he's in between that. The consensus top 10 punches, guys. Fitness as a puncher and a shoulder. And Vasquez lands his jab again. He's loosening up just with that right hand like that. Nice, I like that. Nice to the whole team picking off the left-hand punches. And it's a little bit more even. So Waterley easily 122 pounds. Ring Knight's tilt. We'll talk more about that when we get ready for Julio Cesar Chavez Jr. against Marco Antonio Rubio. Donaire switches southpaw.
I think they switched to south in the air on how to attack Vasquez.
Just missing with a big counter right there. Nonito Donaire. Vasquez to my field. In 11 punches and 26 punches in that round. Harold, how do you have it for six?
See, I get a little bit closer. 4 rounds to 58, 55, 4-2. Well, this is as toe-to-toe as you can get.
And actually has won the last couple of rounds. Hard left hook by Donaire, moments. Goldilocks numbers in round 7. Donaire began early wobbled the Puerto Rican fighter. This is what Donaire wanted to do. Much more, getting safe.
Pagpasok ng round 8 ay lumabas na naman ang kayabangan ng Puerto Rican boxer. Suminyas pa ito na hindi daw siya nasasaktan sa mga suntok ni Nonito Donaire.
Hard right hand and a really good body shot. Vasquez shaking his head as if to say, you can't hurt me. By Vasquez, couple of them. Donaire comes back with a right over the top. And that's what makes it so dangerous when you throw a right hand at him. Just like that. 31. Vasquez 15 out of 61. Now we go to the ninth.
Pagdating ng round 9 ay dito nang nakatikim ng malamasong kamao. Itong si Vasquez Jr. Bagsak ito matapos sa matamaan na napakalakas na uppercut at sinundan pa ito ng malakas na left hook ng ating pambato. At ito rin kaununahang pagkakataon na bumagsak siya sa kanyang boxing career.
Larry
Good shot.
couple of punches, tremendous uppercut, and the left hook to put it down.
Tatapusin na sana ni Donaire ang kalaban, subalit wala nang sapat na oras ang natira.
Pretty stable.
He got me. He just got me. Now, what's he saying right? He's doing a fantastic job working with Donaire.
Pagpasok ng round 10 ay unti-unti na nga nakarecover ang kalaban at nakipagsabayan na ito sa ating pambato.
He's still going to go for that knockout, though. And the things are leaving himself open without leaving himself open.
Another slice face shows punishment too now.
This is a tough fight for Donaire still.
There's that counter left hooking. Well, Donaire's been looking for a quality opponent and to a certain degree found one tonight. He's been hit. 4 fights tracked by CompuBox. We talked about him wanting right now, though with only a few seconds left in the round. Vasquez 22 of 61, Donaire at 18 to 30. Excellent professional career, including a world title. No blood.
Pagdating ng round 12 ay sabik makabawi itong Puerto Rican boxer dahil alam na nga niya na lamang na sa puntos ang ating pambato.
You know, Sergio Martinez lost considerable luster when he went 11 rounds and got his nose bloodied against Aaron Barker. He also produced the
Look, there's the hype and hope in him. And so the expectations have to be high. And very often the question is, yes, the expectations or even exceed them.
And for everyone who's been so excited about the prospect of what Donaire did, his inability to Vasquez raise points.
Sa huli mga idol ay panalo ang ating pambato at matagumpay na nakuha ang WBO Super Bantamweight title